أهلا بكم أنا كارول. Welcome to ArabicPod101.com's Abjadiyya Made Easy, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn the Arabic alphabet, the Abjadiyya. In the last lesson, we did a recap of lessons 7 to 10, where we covered the most difficult letters in the Arabic alphabet. I hope you remember how to write and pronounce them. In this lesson, we learned 2 new letters which are a little easier to pronounce and write. Plus, they also look alike. Ready to learn? Let's go! The first letter we're going to learn today is Fa. Fa is pronounced just like the English F. Notice how this letter has one dot on top of the circle-like part because the next letter will look a bit like it, but not quite. Let's write the isolated form. Fa. Here are the other forms of Fa. Initial, medial, final. Now it's time to write them. Fa. Let's move on to the second letter, Qaf. The Qaf looks a bit like the previous letter Fa, except it has 2 dots and a shorter and more curved tail. It also dips beneath the line. Think about the word call and notice how it comes from deep in the throat. It's a stronger version of the letter K, said with the throat constricted like in Saad and Dad. Now let's handwrite the isolated form. Qaf. Here are the initial, medial, and final versions of Qaf. Now we'll write them. Qaf. That's it for our 2 letters. Now let's learn a couple of words using them. Our first word is farah. This word can mean 2 things, happiness or wedding. Fa is in the initial form with a fatha on top, ra in the final form, also with a fatha on top, and then a ha in the isolated form. Let's write it. Farah. Let's learn another word. Farq means difference. Here we have a fa in the initial form with a fatha on top. Then we have a ra in the final form, followed by a qaf in the isolated form. Here's how to write it. Farq. Now it's time for Carol's tips. While we are learning some very useful and important words along the way in this series, I hope you are also seeking out other opportunities to read, write, speak, and listen to Arabic. Check out the full range of ArabicPod101.com's lessons for more materials. I hope you're enjoying learning how to write this beautiful alphabet. In the next lesson, we'll introduce two important letters in the Arabic language, and they also look similar. I hope you're excited. See you in the next Abjadiyya Made Easy lesson. Take care. Salam.